Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Eden AI Girlfriend. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your browser and search Eden AI Girlfriend. Click on the first link and select sign in with Google. Or you can continue with email also. Select that account and press confirm. Once you have confirmed it, they will ask you to create an account. You need to enter your name, identity, then press continue. After that, they will send you a verification link. Go to the email and select confirm. Once you have verified the email, come back to the website. Now you will see many Eden characters with whom you can talk. Select anyone you like and start chatting with them. You can ask them about anything, their interests, their hobbies. You can have any type of chat with them when you are feeling sad or lonely. You can also edit your profile. That's pretty much all about how you can use Eden AI Girlfriend. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.